Juanel, Jamilda Tadeo, Sarah May De Leon, Elaine Castigo, Joanna Faith Sanju. Yeah, sorry. Charlotte and X-Larry. Tama? Right? And so, yes, Michael Audrey. Jason Banda. Victor Erice. Wow, wala na yun. Nakishawito Mitsubishi. Ito, Erwin Emaa. And Jerry M. Gonzalez. Alright, so are we ready with the award?
Okay lang po.
Okay, A. Meron na po ba?
May number 4.
Pagod na ba kayo tumayo? Kayo? Ano? Ang init yung suot yun, oh. Okay.
Wala po. Wala akong
Okay, the Partisola, you're ready now? For the best in lockdown or formal attire for the female, Miss HRF is awarded to. Are you ready for this? You wish for it, you got it. Contestant number 6.
Mr. HRM. The winner is contestant number 4.
Thank you very much to all the winners. Still, that's not the final yet. Let's have music. Music. Exhibit. All right. Now, to do their traditional farewell walk, let us meet the former Mr. and Miss HRM who have worn the crown so well, and they've made us proud in the last PDSGA Mr. and Miss last January. Rosanne Keenan finishing 4th runner-up, and Michael finishing 3rd runner-up. So they made us proud. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Wala na si Michael.
Mr. and Miss HRM 2010, Roxanne and Michael. Only na si Michael. Roxanne, sige. I would like to thank all those who supported me, my family, my friends, and all those who came by me during the passion. I will never forget the undoubted support you have given me. To all the HRM students, I wouldn't have made it without your smile and the support during the national day. To my mother and father, thank you. To the next winner, I wish you wear the crown well as you represent our fathers in the name. Sir, and name, keyboard, and I love you all. Mucho gusto with you.